Hi everybody, and this is my website. My name is Devlin Smith, and I created DW's Custom Boots and Leather Repair. So basically, on our homepage is an explanation of why you would use our business, and our business basically is that of custom boots and leather repair. It's pretty simple, self-explanatory. Um, uh, if we go to the boots tab, it'll open up, and it basically tells you who the boots are for, you know, basically what custom boots are. Custom boots are made solely for your feet only. They're not, one size fits all, here's a size 9, here's this. No, it's specific measurements of each boot and each foot, and they're made that way in a specific size. They measure your arches, what your foot does whenever you take a step, and whenever you come up. It is a unique process, and it tells you who and what custom boots are for. Moving to boot accessories, just leather conditioner, stuff like that. The purpose of this website is basically to get people interested in coming and viewing, or coming to the shop in Plainview to get custom fitted, because you can't really, measure, or someone can't measure your feet over the computer. It's more of an in-person process, and this is just to get people basically in the shop and see what custom boot making is all about. Why buy custom fitted boots? For whatever reason, say you have a wide foot and regular double E or boots don't fit you right. They can make it to where when you take that step and your foot does spread out, that these boots will fit you right and not give you blisters, rub your feet wrong, your ankles wrong. If you ride horses, it'll help you out a lot. And finally, the last page is a contact page. It gives you the email to email for questions, a telephone number, and then a brief contact us for a consultation, which basically sets up your appointment. The people at the business give you a call, and you set up an appointment, and then go get measured and see if you're interested in buying the custom boots or not. And then obviously the cart is right here, and then the custom design is here. But I'd like to thank everybody for viewing my website, and I can't wait to see everybody else's. Thank you.